Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Shami Eats and Treats. Click on that subscribe button and get ready because today we'll be making Koosa. Let me show you what to do with the cores of your squash. Here we'll take 2 tablespoons of butter. Saute 1 large diced onion until translucent. Adding 1 tablespoon of salt. Adding 2 cups of washed, soaked for 5 minutes, then drained, of course, spurgle. Now we'll add about 3 cups of our squash core. Now let's add 2 cups of water. Now keeping it on medium to high heat, we want to let it boil, and then once it boils for about a minute, we're going to cover it. Let it simmer on low for 15 minutes, and then enjoy. If you enjoy this recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when I upload a new video.